Welcome to our video on creating a green roof garden. If you're looking for a way to bring nature to your rooftop and reduce your carbon footprint, then this video is for you. First, let's talk about the benefits of a green roof garden. Not only do green roofs help to reduce the urban heat island effect, but they also improve air quality, reduce stormwater runoff, and provide a space for wildlife. There are two main types of green roofs, intensive and extensive. Intensive green roofs are thicker and can support a wider variety of plants, while extensive green roofs are thinner and typically only support low-growing plants. Building a green roof garden can be a bit more involved than a traditional garden, but with the right planning and preparation, it's definitely doable. From selecting the right plants to installing the necessary drainage and irrigation systems, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Planning and design. Start by assessing the structural integrity of your roof and determining the weight-bearing capacity. Then, decide on the type of green roof you want to create, intensive or extensive, and plan the layout of your garden. Surface preparation. Before installing the green roof, it's important to ensure that the roof surface is clean, dry and level. Repair any leaks or damage to the roof, and remove any debris or loose materials. Drainage layer. This layer is necessary to allow excess water to drain away from the plants, so it's important to use a water-permeable material such as crushed stone or gravel. Waterproofing membrane. This layer is necessary to protect the building from water damage, so it's important to use a material that is UV resistant and appropriate for your specific roof. Growing medium. This layer is necessary to hold the plants and provide them with the nutrients they need. You can use a lightweight soil-based growing medium, or a substrate made of coconut fiber or other materials. Planting your seedlings. Once the growing medium is in place, you can start planting. After your green roof garden is up and running, maintenance is relatively minimal. Just remember to keep an eye on the weather and water your plants as needed. If you liked this video and are interested in more gardening topics, make sure to stay tuned for more content.